you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get our day started. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. This is going to be a pretty quick video. By the title, you guys can see that I went for my glucose testing, and towards the end you guys will see what happened. So anyway, I brush my teeth, I rinse my mouth, and then I go on to washing my face. So I've wetted my face with warm water, and I'm using the CeraVe cleanser, and I just carefully, it looks rough because the video is sped up, but I go ahead and wash my face, scrub it real good. With pregnancy, I've noticed that my skin is a little drier, so I do tend to blot dry and then add the Pond's moisturizer, which is that one there, and leave it on my face. But a little goes a long way because it is very, very, very oily and very greasy, so I just use a little bit, and that is it. Alright, you guys, so it is about 7:30 now. My appointment is not till 10:15, but I do have that glucose test. I can eat up until an hour before I have to take the liquid, but I can't eat anything an hour after until my blood is drawn. So because I do have to take medication or vitamins for pregnancy, I do have to eat something. So that is why I'm up this early. I'm gonna go ahead and make me an oatmeal, and then I'll see you guys when it's time to take the drink. Alright guys, so I'm still looking a hot mess, but I forgot to completely drink this on camera. So I have drunk a little below the 5-ounce mark. You may be asking, why didn't I drink the whole drink? They made me drink my whole drink, etc., etc. My instructions per my doctor say 1 hour before your scheduled visit, drink 5 ounces, half a bottle of glucose solution. So that is exactly what I did. I have the fruit punch flavor. I know they have it in orange as well, if I'm not mistaken, but with my son I had a really bad experience with the orange, so I went ahead and I went with the punch flavored. It is still very, very, very sweet to the point that it makes me nauseous. Luckily though, I only had to do half a bottle, so now I have to wait. I drank it at 8:50, so it is now 9:12. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready to head on to the hospital. Try to be there by like 9:30. That way I can have my blood drawn by 9:50, and then go to my doctor's appointment at 10:15. So I will see you guys there. I have my blood drawn, and I'm waiting to see the doctor. Alright you guys, so I'm done at the doctor's. I went for my I don't even know anymore. Anyway, I went for my other 4-week follow-up with her. Baby is doing fine. We are still waiting on the glucose test, but again, I just left, so I don't expect it to come back, although she thought it would be by the time I went to go see her, because I did get my blood drawn first, but unfortunately it wasn't back yet. So I am going to wait on that from my chart, but it should be today, so hopefully that is good, because then if not, I'm gonna have to do a 3-hour test. Thank you. And I really don't want to do that, but it is a beautiful day out. It's probably like 70-something degrees outside. 75, I think it was. But as far as the drink is concerned, it is a very sugary drink, For someone who has not had weight loss surgery, it is, you know, sugary on its own. But I feel as though for someone who's had weight loss surgery, it is double the amount of sugar that you feel. I drank the not the shake. I drank the drink, and I'm gonna say within like 10-15 minutes I started feeling like a sugar rush, and within like a half hour I started feeling like really sick to my stomach, to the point that I still feel sick. So because I'm done with the test, I bought some crackers, that way I can eat them and try to settle my stomach just a little bit. But what I would suggest is after you get your blood drawn, drink lots of fluid. That way you can kind of flush that out of your system as quickly as possible. Unfortunately, it is something that we have to do. I know there is some doctors that will forfeit that type of test but give you another one where you would have to like poke your fingers for X amount of like weeks or a test or something like that. So talk to your doctor and see what your options are. I went for the glucose test because I wouldn't want to be poking my finger. That's not something that, I mean, I understand there is diabetic patients that have to go through that, but I really didn't want to go through that, you know, and have to poke my fingers, let's say for 4 weeks or 2 weeks, whatever it is, you know, whatever your doctor tells you. I just rather get it done and over with, and hopefully everything will be okay. That way I don't have to come back for the 3-hour test. But that is pretty much it for this video. I am going to let you guys know what the results are, if I get them today before I